Alright, hello people. This is a quick video for my channel. You can see on the table here is my computer, and I was in the States. A video will be for that, by the way. But anyway, while I was in the States, I was planning on upgrading it, but I came back and bought the parts here. So I have a new motherboard. Wait, let me show it to you. The box would cooperate. Anyway, it's the Gigabyte. Let me focus it. It's the Gigabyte, what you can call it, blah 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 thing. Is this even the right way? I don't know. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's. Anyway, yeah, this thing, motherboard, and the Intel i5, you know, processor, and then some memory, the Kingston HyperX. Oh, this is 8 gigs, two 4 gigabyte memory things. Anyway, all of them, I looked up which ones were the best up on, hold on, focus, on, and I should stop looking at that, on Tom's Hardware. You should check it out if you're planning on upgrading computers and don't know what to buy or anything. That's what I use, because I'm not really a computer geek techie person like my dad, who's gonna help me install that onto that. Anyway, I'm gonna time-lapse this building process, so enjoy this quick video of me and my dad building my computer. Alright Dad, let's do it. She's alive! She is alive! As you can see from here, She works. She breathes with her new body. Her new brain is in place right there. And her new heart, the motherboard, and her new memory. She is a beauty, isn't she? And she works with the old operating system that I did not change, so booyah baby, more power to my PC. Power to the PC. Yeah. Alright. One more thing I want to show you guys was the old motherboard plus CPU and huge ass cooler on top of it. But yeah, this is out and the new thing's in there pumping away, so finally better computer.